Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the remover over the stuck tip and gripping the dart shaft with your free hand. Once aligned, apply steady, even pull force while keeping the tool perpendicular so you avoid tearing the board. You do this because a straight pull reduces hole enlargement and tip breakage. Make short, firm pulls rather than jerking. That controlled motion transfers force to the tip connection and not the surrounding fibers. If resistance feels extreme, stop and reassess rather than forcing. Once the tip resists, switch to a combined twist and pull. Rotate the remover 1/4 to 1/2 turn while pulling steadily. You do this because twisting helps unseat barbs and broken threads. If the tip is corroded or jammed, a brief spray of penetrating solution on the junction loosens debris. Wait 30-60 seconds, then try again. Make sure to protect electronic boards from excess liquid by shielding the slot. Continue patiently. Rushed force causes split tip. You finish by inspecting the hole and cleaning debris with a soft pick so new tips seat properly. Once done, fit a new tip or apply a small patch if fibers are torn. This preserves board life and scoring accuracy. If the tip breaks inside, use fine tweezers to extract fragments in small increments rather than plunging. This prevents deeper embedding. Troubleshooting. If fragments jam, rotate the remover gently around the hole to create clearance before pulling again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.